What's up? What up?
Glad to see you here. Let's get into these 9 stretches for lower back pain.
I broke my back.
What do you mean by that?
My back is broken.
All you'll need for these stretches is a sturdy wall and 2 towels. Our first stretch for today is a laying wall stretch. We're going to scoot our butt as close as we can to the wall, lift up our legs, and scoot a little bit closer. Once you get as close as you can, straighten out your legs and place a towel underneath your lower back for support. Once you're in position, take 5 really deep breaths. Come down safely from the wall and we'll get into the next stretch. Be prepared to look like an angry cat in this stretch. Get down on all fours and let your head relax down while you tighten your core and raise your spine up between your shoulder blades. Hold for 10 seconds. Here is another view if you're unsure of how to do this. Next, we're doing a mid and lower back quadruped stretch. On all fours, simply let your head hang between your shoulder blades. Hold this stretch for 10 seconds. Now we're going to do a lumbar extension. Laying on your stomach, use your elbows to raise your upper body up off the floor, keeping your pelvis in contact with the floor. Keep your booty relaxed and allow your lower back to sag. Hold for 10 seconds. Next, we have a lumbar decompression. Lay on your back and pull your knees into your chest. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Let's get into this prayer stretch. Kneeling on the floor, reach both arms straight out in front of you with your hands touching the ground. Sit your lower body down and back into your heels. Hold for 10 seconds. This is my absolute favorite stretch, a lumbar rotation. Laying flat on the ground, grab one knee and pull it across your body. Rotate your lumbar spine as far as you comfortably can. Hold this for 10 seconds. My eyes are closed because this stretch just feels so good. Switch legs and hold for another 10 seconds. Now let's get into this side bend reach. Sitting or standing, slowly bend to one side without rotating, bringing one arm overhead. Support your upper body with the opposite hand on your hip. Feel the stretch in the side of your lower back. Now switch sides and continue for another 10 seconds. Everyone's least favorite stretch, the toe touch. Bend over, touch your toes, arch your back, and pop your booty.
What?
Nah, I'm playing. Just bend straight over at the hips and reach towards your toes to feel a stretch in the back of your legs. All right, that's what I have for you guys today. 9 stretches for lower back pain. If you haven't checked out my video for neck and shoulder pain, go ahead and click on that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you plan on using these stretches. Let me know how they work for you. Let me know how your body's feeling. I'm gonna go start my workout now. Bye.